Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix for the Windows 11, anyone Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, anyone you are using for the any Windows. This is the same problem for issues. Then this is the problem for the problem executing USB more storage device. This is the error for this device is currently in usage. Close any programs or windows that might you by using the device and then try again. This is error notifications. You will finish it by step by step follow it to solve your problem. Okay. Then go to the first step for you will close then you will click to search bar. Search the task manager. Then click to open. Then you will see the full screen. Then see the Windows X folder, then click to start it to you will restart your task. Then restart to start the process. Then you will click to start it to you will Windows X folder you will restart. Okay. Then this process is finished to solve your problem, but not solve to you will go to the next step. Okay. Then go to the next step or you will click to the search bar, search the device manager. Then click to open. Then see the Universal Series bus controller. Then you will have to click to open. You will see this error for the mouse USB controller. Then this is the not showing for the I am already is deleted. Then you will showing to you will right click to uninstall the device. Okay. Then click to uninstall. Okay. Then uninstall to you will close this device manager. Then go to finish it, then you will click to the Windows icon, get restart your PC or laptop to this problem is solved. After check this error for maximum fix it. Anyone doubt to in the comment, then I will try to solve your problem. Okay. Then thank you for watching.